Hello everyone, I am Abhishek and I am back with the part 2. In the previous video, we go through only the intro part of an Angular, and in this, we will only discuss and do some practical on installation and set up a system of an Angular project. So, to do this, initially we need the Node.js and the npm that will include with Node.js, and to get the Node.js, we will have this link to install the Node.js part. So in next, we will get the some command lines to install the Angular CLI. So to further to install the Angular CLI, first we have to open the command line prompt. Just press Window R and write the CMD. Then this window will be open. And to after the installation of Node.js, we need to install the Angular CLI, and the command to do this is in npm install -g @angular CLI @latest. So in this command, the first term npm is generally tell the command line prompt that is an npm command, and this install word is simple install, and this -g is the global. This command will install this Angular CLI in global environment. So when we write this and press, so we will look into this, and we have some warning in my system. So this is not the very big issue for now. Currently we have the node version. In my system is 20.10.0, and in the npm it's 10.8.1. So and after this, when we write the command ng version, so in this the command line treat this command, this full command is an Angular. Ng means an Angular. So the command line prompt treat this command is for an Angular command. And after this, when we write an ng version, so it will give you the description of that we have an Angular CLI 18.0.7 with Node 20.10.0 with the package manager, that is npm is 10.8.1, and OS is the Windows, and some package that will automatically install when we run the Angular project. So there are so many commands in an Angular CLI. Uh, to know this, we only write ng help. This is again ng represent an Angular, and the help is the unique keyword, that is inbuilt keyword of an Angular command line. So after pressing this, there are so many commands that will have some ng add support for external libraries, analytics, ng build. We will use this when we build our project. Ng cache, completion, config, and ng deploys to deploy the project. We will go through this all these commands one by one when we need in the development. So there is an ng serve also, ng test also. So all this. So generally the output of ng help is the list of commands, inbuilt commands than Angular have. So to start the development, I will use the VS Code, that is Visual Studio Code, and to start coding. And in the next part, we will go through the structure that I mentioned in the part 1, that we have the structure part, and we will go through all the important files we have. So this is the only part in this. Thank you.